I'm making an animation film on my own computer for free. No subscriptions, no credits, no internet needed. No big data centers burning power. You could even run the whole thing on a solar panel. Completely self-sufficient and cut off. I got some negative comments on my last video, like, this is evil capitalism. So just one more AI video, and then back to photography and stories. But this one is different. Free, open source tools. No one making money. Why? To see if I can express and learn something visually. The engine is Stable Diffusion. I run it in ComfyUI. It's not very comfy because it's a real pain to set up. But I won't get into that. Other videos explain how to do it. And you might ask, what about prompts? ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, etc. You need internet. No. For me, the fun part is writing and imagining. But if you want to, and you need a little bit of help, you can run a local model like Wizard LM in LM Studios completely for free. It just helps with your prompts if you're stuck. To make this go faster, I installed Triton and Sage Attention, and I used a workflow from AI Knowledge to Go. So first, here's the 1-minute animation test I made.
It was never in that case. They always chase what they don't understand.
Does this replace real animators, storytellers, or writers? No, not at all. But it is useful for story pitches, for filling in missing shots, for testing a script before you spend money on a real shoot. Would I pay to make this with Cloud AI? Absolutely not. It would cost a lot more to generate a 15-minute short film on a Cloud AI than to gather friends, shoot with a real camera, and hire a sound person. But locally, for free, you can try out ideas. You can watch your story play out, and when you watch, you'll see what's missing, what's boring, what could be better, where the story fails. You can fix it before the real shoot, before the real animator. That's the value. This film I made, as a film, it's not good, but it shows me what doesn't work before I ever go on set, or before a real animator works on it. Next week, a very different video. I'll tell you my life's journey by answering one question. What's the best camera in the world for you? Spoiler, the answer works for more than just cameras. Thanks for watching. I really hope you subscribe because that helps out a lot. And I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Thank you.